Welcome back, everyone. No wristband, no problem. The first of several free shows at Auditorium Shores kicks off today. It's going to be big. They're one of the most popular events of the entire South by Southwest Festival, so expect the banks of Lady Bird Lake to be full with people tonight. And here's tonight's lineup. Brooklyn rocker Luke Wraithborn at 6 o'clock, Twin Shadow at 7 and at 8. Wildly popular New York outfit, The Strokes. Even if you can't make it out to Auditorium Shores, you're likely to hear music just anywhere you go in Austin today. That's because of the almost 2,000 bands that are performing at South by Southwest this year. And even bands that don't make it into a venue, they still come to Austin. They'll play on sidewalks wherever they can. One band drove up from McAllen to try to get noticed, and they did.
We were playing on the street yesterday, and then we got a gig. The owner was just passing by, and he was like, hey, do y'all want to play inside?
Remember, there are several street closures downtown this week, mostly on and around 6th Street from Brazos to I-35, on 4th from Trinity to Red River. There are several other closures to go and check on at KXAN.com for specifics, or just hop on the Metro Rail. Capitol Metro is offering free late Friday night service and additional Saturday service. That has meant a big boost in ridership. On a normal day, the Red Line has anywhere from 1,400 to 1,800 passengers. Last Friday, 3,200 hopped on board. 3,600 people took advantage of the Saturday service.